Editing worksheet data in MS Excel, Part 5. Adjusting row height or column width. In Excel 2007, you can change any column widths or row heights in your worksheets either by dragging the border or by using the Format menu. By dragging the border. Changing row heights. To change the height of one or more rows, follow these steps. Step 1. Place the mouse pointer at the bottom border of the row heading. The pointer shape changes to double-headed row. Step 2. Drag the bottom border up or down to decrease or increase the height. Changing column width. Follow these steps to adjust the width of one or more columns. Step 1. Place the mouse pointer at the right border of the column heading. The pointer shape changes to a double-headed arrow. Step 2. Drag the right border left or right to decrease or increase the column width. By using Format menu. In MS Excel 2007, you can change the row height or the column width to a specific measurement. Changing column width. Step 1. Select the column or columns. Step 2. Point to column on the Format menu and select Width. The column width dialog box is displayed. Step 3. Enter a number in the column width box. Step 4. Click OK. Changing row heights. To set a row height to a specific setting. Step 1. Select the row or rows. Step 2. Point to row on the Format menu and select Height. The row height dialog box is displayed. Step 3. Enter a number in the row height box. Step 4. Click OK. The row height is adjusted according to the value specified by you.